So, paccar number day 2. And right here is the problem. That's what was making whistle.
It's weird that it's right on the back cylinder too.
Well, I was thinking it was leaking right behind between a turbo and a manifold. It's right here. And then come to find out, where's that gasket at? See, I made a mistake. I was thinking it's this gasket, but ended up being, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hole number 4. See how it's black it is? And that's what this gasket came out from. I was sitting like that.
We had that problem before with headers, where they pulled the fucking exhaust gasket out.
That's what the whistling was coming from. And the problem is you can't see it because when there's a manifold against it, you quite can't see it right here if it's turning black. And paccar known for this problem, and a lot of people like me start putting new EGR valves in it and new back pressure valve, but the gasket making noise on the paccars.